Hey people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, you are highly and most welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a remedy that would glow up your skin, polish it up, and this treatment you're recommended to actually use it at night. Okay, so it's going to work more effectively at night. Okay, so if you want to know what comprises of my glowing skin remedy, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video. Also turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, endeavor to ask them all on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright guys, let's dive into this video. So the first ingredients we're going to be showing you for this younger looking skin remedy would be rice. Alright, so you can actually use the fresh rice or you can use the blended rice powder. Alright, which I'm actually going to be using the blended rice powder. Okay, rice helps to minimize the appearances of pores and it tightens up the skin. Rice is a natural skin toner. It promotes cells growth, stimulates blood flow on the skin, and helps to keep your skin smooth and bright. The water also heals acne and cool the redness of an outbreak. So it's just going to help you, and it's just going to remove wrinkles and fine lines. Alright, so how we're going to mix our ingredients together, we're going to be taking just 1 tablespoon of the rice powder. Okay, we're just going to be putting that into the bowl. Banana contains a good amount of vitamin C that helps in maintaining the natural and youthful glow of the skin. You can bring back the lost glow using this banana face mask. Banana also helps to soften up the skin, moisturizes it. It's great for a dry or oily skin, and it also helps to remove wrinkles, leaving your skin looking younger and radiant. Then we're just going to be taking a little bit of the banana, and then we're going to be peeling that up, and we're just going to be mixing that. So I'm going to be mashing all of that into the bowl. So for now I'm just going to be mashing this together. Okay, alright, so with the help of the rice in there, it's just going to help me to mash this. This is actually a brilliant idea. It's not like too slimy and all of that, so it just stays one place and it enables me mash it really well. So you can see that it is actually mashed already without any lumps or whatsoever. And the next ingredient we're going to be needing will be milk. With the contents of lactic acids in milk, it helps to reduce pigmentation, heal dry skin, it hydrates the skin, heals acne, and relieves sunburns. Milk on the skin would help you to look glowing, smooth, and radiant. It will also help to eradicate and remove wrinkles from the skin. For the milk, I'm gonna be needing 2 tablespoons of milk. Okay, that would be 1, and that would be 2. And the next ingredients we're going to be needing will be honey. Honey is a saving remedy for the skin. It removes acne, and it also contains antibacterial that treats pimples and dark spots. It also helps in preventing aging. It is filled with antioxidants. It's great in slowing down the aging process. It also a great moisturizing ingredients, and it also soothes the skin. And also for the honey, I would be using 1 teaspoon of honey. Okay, I'm gonna be mashing this all ingredients together. This is a very good consistency, and you have to mash this really well, okay, so it can mix and mix really well. This is how it is looking like. Alright guys, so how you're gonna apply this, you're just going to take this treatment and then you're just gonna spread it through your face, okay? You're gonna spread it through your face just like this. Alright guys, so today I've already scrubbed my face in the morning, so I'm not going to be scrubbing again. Alright, so I just want to show you with the help of my hand, guys. You've seen that I've used so many treatments on my face, so yeah. Alright guys, so you're just going to scrub this. Alright, so after you're done, you're just going to give it a light scrub just like this, a very light scrub, just like this, okay? And when you're done, you're just going to leave this on your skin for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can actually go wash this off. This treatment, you can actually store it for a couple of days. Alright, the thing is that when you store it, it's just going to go thick and thick because of the rice powder, okay? So whenever you want to apply it, you have to add up a little more milk to liquidify it, okay? So that's basically how you're just going to be using it. And for this treatment, you have to use it 3 times in a week. You don't use it more than that because obviously you wouldn't want to be scrubbing your face every day, okay? You scrub your face to remove dead skin cells. Just 3 times in a week would be perfect. So basically guys, when you scrub off your skin with this natural remedy, you are going to be loving your results, okay? Because your skin is just going to glow. Your skin is just going to be like a baby skin, so soft, uniform and glowing, you know what I mean? Yeah guys, if you did love this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the video. Also turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button, that way you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, drop them on my website, and please follow me on Instagram. I will see you soon in my next video. Bye guys, and stay flawless. Mwah.